Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. So in today's video, I am going to share this look with you guys, which is very simple and easy to create, and it is a very soft look. So if you guys are interested, then please keep on watching. Alright, let's start with the base, and the first thing I'm using is the Colorbar Spotlight Illuminating Lotion. This has shimmer particles in it and it looks beautiful on the skin. You can also mix this with your foundation if you want. I'm applying this all over my face, and the next step is foundation. Now for foundation, I'm using the M.A.C Studio Fix foundation. My shade is NC40 and I am using this M.A.C brush cum sponge at the end, and it blends my foundation so beautifully. As you can see, it gives that airbrush finish and it looks like skin as well. Love the foundation and love this brush so much. Now next step is a concealer, and today I'm using the Milani concealer. The shade is perfect for me. I think it brightens up my under eyes. I'm using a brush to blend it out. It definitely is a flawless concealer and I love the coverage it has. Now I'm using the Sugar BB Cushion as my contour cum bronzer. Now I love this shade because it definitely is little bit darker from me, and it gives that very nice skin-like finish and it blends like a butter as well. So I'm using this as my contour cum bronzer. Next up, for my blush, I'm using a cream blush today, and I'm using the YBP Cosmetics Color Cream X Shreya Jen, and the shade is Peach. It definitely blends very nicely on the skin. Now I'm taking this K-Beauty HD setting powder in the shade Banana, and I'm going to bake and set my under eyes and around my lip area. Next, for my highlighter, today I'm using the PAC Glitz and Glare Shimmer Powder in the shade 01, which looks absolutely stunning as well. And you have to take a little bit of product and apply this on your highest points of your face with a fluffy brush. For my brows, I'm using the Forever 52 Brow Powder Palette, and I am using the darker shade with my Faces Canada brush. Now for my eyeshadow, I am using the Sunrise palette by Purplle, and the shades I'm using is Give Me Mocha and Tenderly Light. I'm mixing both the shades and applying this on my crease as well as on my eyelid with a fluffy blending brush. Next, for my inner corner, I'm using the Forever 52 Magnificent Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade number 65 on my inner corner, and then blending it out with a pencil brush. This is also from PAC Cosmetics. For my mascara, I'm using the Forever 52 Super Volume and Lengthening Mascara. Lastly, for my lipstick, I'm using the K-Beauty New Launch Matte Lipstick in the shade Cameo. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys find this video helpful. I know it was quite easy. You can create this look with whatever products you have. I will mention the product details down in the description box below, so if you want, you can buy it from the links. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys again on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all.